Hi, it's Kozue. Look at this. Well, it's not like I got injured in my fingers. This is going to be a beautiful set. On my channel, I introduce some weird ways to do nails. I'm gonna do something weird or unusual in this video as well. The things I'm going to do is not something I'm going to recommend to someone, but I hope it's fun to watch it. Let's get started now. I'm gonna clean my nails with ethanol. I'm making sure I'm cleaning the walls of the nails. I'm using OPI Nail Envy as base coat. Do any of you use OPI Nail Envy as base coat as well? Nail Envy is completely dry. I'm gonna use this nail polish. It's a Japanese brand, Paradu Mini Nail, Red 11. The color looks a little bit different from the bottle. On my nail, it looks more like a burgundy or reddish brown. I'm gonna blur it with a top coat. I don't need much top coat on the brush. I'm dabbing the border really gently. Well, I thought I could blur it better than this. Clean the brush before you put it back in the bottle. I'm going to do the same thing on the little finger, blend with the top coat. I'm gonna paint the whole ring fingernail. It's a very nice warm wintry color. I love it. I'm gonna blur on the middle finger. I'm gonna blur on the index finger as well. By the way, I'm using OPI Infinite Shine 3. I'm using it because it's the runniest top coat I have. After each application, I let it dry for a good 7 minutes. Second application on the thumbnail. I should have more transparent color polish. It's really difficult to fade it. The little finger. There's something Japanese about this color. How was your winter holiday, by the way? I visited my parents in my hometown, and I edited this video there. I'm gonna paint the whole ring fingernail. Whoa, look at this, it's so beautiful. Yeah, this nail polish is definitely not for a gradient nail, but I love this color and wanted a gradient nail with that. The index finger. Now I'm thinking what to do with the pink part on the nail bed. I mean, the difference in two shades is too clear. The width of gradation is too short, I think. From the cuticle area, pink, and then suddenly red. I want to paint there with a light color of the same color polish. What to do? What would you do? Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna stamp it. This is Moira's stamping plate. It's really expensive for me. I have a stamper and a scraper ready. I'm gonna use this big window one. This design is particularly difficult to pick up. Yeah, I failed. This part is missing. I'm gonna try it again. I've got to scrape it really softly. I have to tilt the scraper really low. Yes, I did it. The color doesn't show much on the stamper, but when I stamp it, it looks pretty dark. I think the gradation is softer now, yay! I'm gonna do the same thing to other nails too. I tried painting the polish on the stamper directly, but I couldn't paint it evenly on the stamper. While editing this video, I came up with a nice idea. I'm gonna try that in next video or some videos in the future. I'm gonna clean the stamper as well. Wow, look at my fingers! What's wrong with them? I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger. I got this plate in Hawaii. I'm gonna use stamping polish from Temu. This pattern looks really Japanese to me. Yeah, very Japanese. Wow, it's really dark. Oops. I can't see the design very well like this. But I love the way I stamped it. I didn't catch my hand in the door. I'm gonna stamp more. This Happy New Year design. I got this stamping polish at Walmart in Hawaii. The scraper I'm using is not a credit card. It's an old prepaid card. I want to stamp it in 2 rows. It's gonna be difficult. Just stamping happy. Oh, the Y isn't stamped. Oh no, I stamped part of N. This looks pretty bad. Well, I'm gonna stamp the rest of it on the nail anyway. Now I have to clean it. What to do with the new? Okay, this looks good enough. I haven't given up on new still. I'm gonna stamp one more time. I'm gonna stamp right on New Year. Ooh, I can't focus on it, I'm too old. Look at that! Bone Pretty's no smudge top coat. I love it. Well, this is not the end. I'm still not happy about the gradation. I'm gonna use the other side. Well, I'm not sure how effective it is. I need something more. I'm gonna use this sparkly nail polish from Paradu Mini Nail. Just a little bit on the upper part. And the ring finger and the index finger. I'm gonna paint top coat. I love this top coat, it doesn't shrink. I'm gonna dry this for a few hours. Now I'm gonna clean the fingers with washi tape. Now it looks like a normal hand. I'm gonna paint the sachet. I'm gonna put an accessory on the middle finger. When I finished painting the index finger, I'm gonna do something extra for the stone. The dotting pen worked really well. I'm gonna give it the final cleaning with nail polish remover. All done! I love it so much, it's beautiful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.